Hello, this is my first video that I'm going to put on YouTube, and this involves like taking off the shift knob on a 1999 Honda Civic Ex, but I'm pretty sure it works on every other 1999 Honda. Well, I've tried looking for this on YouTube and all, and I honestly couldn't find one video of how to do this, so I decided to take this upon myself to do one. Well, right now I have it in gear, so first just put it on neutral, and then just like really hard, just turn it to the left, and just keep turning until it just comes loose. It takes a while, like it really does take a while. It's like really stuck up in there. Mine's almost out. Well, if you notice this, my like gear numbers are red. I modified it and I painted them red. In my next video I will be showing you guys how to make them red. This is stuck up in here. Wow. Okay, well, if you notice, this is the stock knob. I made them red. On my next video I will show you how I made them red. And I also made my little horn buttons right there red. They're red. And my door locks red. And that's about it. Well, and to put it back on, it's pretty much the same process but in reverse. Just put it in and like, make sure it grabs, and just keep like turning it until it gets tight. You know what I'm saying? Just keep turning until it gets really tight on there, so it doesn't move when you shift. Soon in one of my other videos I will be showing what I have in my car so far, like headers, turbo, short ram intake, or what I used to have. When I used to have a short ram intake, now that I got turbo, I don't need it. You just gotta make sure it's really straight. It's a little crooked there. Just put it back in gear, and yeah, we're good. I hope you guys find this video useful.